In this video, I'll be showing you how to perform a brake bleed on a Nissan Maxima. This is located under the hood and behind all four wheels. Let's get started. We're going to locate our brake fluid reservoir and its cap. Before we begin, I'm going to clean the surrounding area with some brake cleaner and a rag. And wipe down any dirt or debris. Now we're going to remove our cap, turn counterclockwise, and lift up. And also our filter. Just lift up on it and set it aside. Now using a siphon, I'm going to remove as much brake fluid as I can from our brake fluid reservoir. Insert it and suck it out. Now dispose of this used fluid properly. Now let's top off our brake fluid. Insert a funnel. And we're going to pay attention to this max mark right here. We want it right between the max and minimum. Now remove your funnel and reinstall your cap only. Now we're going to proceed to our right front wheel. Now that we're at the first bleed location, I have an assistant in the vehicle ready. I'll be using a bottle and a hose and removing the brake bleeder cap. Set it aside. Have your 8mm wrench ready. Place it over. Now's the time to place your hose over it as well. I'm going to advise my assistant to pump the brakes about 5 times. Now I'm going to crack the screw open and close it. We're going to repeat this about 3 times. Remove your wrench and reinstall your bleeder cap. Now we're going to proceed to our left front wheel and do the same process. Now let's top off our brake fluid. Now that our fluid's topped off, let's proceed to our right rear wheel. Now that we're at our right rear wheel, I'm going to locate our bleeder screw and cap on the caliper. Remove it as well. Set it aside. Again, place your 8mm wrench over. And also your brake hose. Now I'm going to advise our assistant to pump the brakes. Now break it free. And close it. We're going to repeat this about 3 times. And open. As you can see, we have no more bubbles. So close the screw. Remove the hose. Remove your wrench as well and reinstall your cap. Now repeat this process for the left rear wheel. Now that all 4 sides are bled, we're going to top off our reservoir one last time. Remove the cap. Insert your funnel. And fill it a little bit below the max line. Move your funnel. Reinstall your filter. Press down all the way. And reinstall your cap as well. Now once this is finished, reinstall your wheels, torque them all down to 83 foot-pounds, and after that go inside the driver's compartment and ensure your brake pedal is nice and firm. Then take the vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.